To officiate the game, Central Team. Central Red Team, paki-officiate please. Thank you. Panalo pa rin kayo sa akin, don't worry. Service! Wait lang, wala pang tayong judge. Red team po ang magla-line judge. Wala pa pong line judge sa kabila. Central team. Line judge. Woohoo! Pizza pa blow up. Okay. Service for Patriots. Like, walang taga-score. Wala palang taga-score. Ayan, meron na. Okay, buksan na. Service, Patriots, to start the game. Outside? Okay, inside. Inside. Green card for the Filipinos. Very honest. Score 1-0. Good serve. Good receive. Back ball. Chance for Patriots. Pinano. Buhay. Binalik. Chance ball again for Patriots. 1 to play. Gaso outside. Good try. Score all 1. Service Delphinas. Good serve. Sinek. Did not. Buhay ang bola. Chance for Delphinas. Did not. Kasi did not. Again. Milano. Buhay. Over. Chance ball for Delphinas. Sinek. Back. Buhay. Patay na. Score 2-1. Walang pumipito. Ay, meron pala. Score. Service. Good serve. Taas. Service ace. Delphinas with the third service. Good serve. Taas ang bola. Binalik. Chance ball for Delphinas. Sinek. Pinano. Good receive. Chance for Patriots. Good attack. Taas ang buhay. Chance ball again for Patriots. Sinek ulit. Bang. Taas ang block. Good luck. Point for Delphinas. Score natin 4-1 in favor of Delphinas. Kuya with the sports service. Good serve. Binalik. Chance ball for Delphinas again. Sinek. Nice adjust. Binalik ulit. Binalik ulit. Magbalikan na lang tayo. Binalik ulit! Sige! Pinalo! Buhay! Buhay bola! Overpass again! Buhay ang bola! Oh my God! Very intense, huh? I like it. Score 5-1. Delphinas with their 5th service. Good serve. With a good receive. Pinalo. Block. Buhay ang bola. Ayun lang. Point for Delphinas. Kuya with his 6th service. Receive. Binalik, chance ball. Sinet sa dos, pinalo. Buhay. Hindi na. Namatay na. 7-1. Kuya with his 7th service. Bam. Good serve. With a good receive. Pinalo. Nice block pero sa inyo. Score 7-2.
Ini-stop.
Service by number 12 for Patriots. Good serve. Good receive. Chance to attack. Pinalo. Bam. Good kick. Pinalo. Overpass. Buhay ang bola. Chance for Patriots. Joke lang. Ngayon, chance for the Philippines. Sige. Good block. Binalik sa bola. Ay, binalik sa bola. Dig! Nice kill. Score for Patriots. 7-3 still in favor of Filipinas. Bola po. Service. Good serve. Service ace by number 12. 7-4. Kuya wins third service. Good serve. Good receive. Sinet. Buhay ang bola. Chance for Patriots. Pinalo. Block. Buhay. Chance for Patriots again. Sinet. Pa. Outside. Inside. Inside. Score for the Phoenix. Service. Service ace. Bola. Service. Nice serve. Set. Nice hit. Chance for the Phoenix. Good luck. Kaso, lumusot pa din. Score for the Phoenix. Ang score natin ay 10-4 in favor of the Phoenix pa rin. Kuya with his third service. Good serve. Drop ball. Takso nakuha. Sinet. Pinalo. Outside. Point for Patriots. Score natin 10-5. Still in favor of Philippines. Service by number 29. Good serve. Buhay ang bola. Hindi na. Patay na. Score 10-6. Service again. Good receive. Overset. Chance ball for Patriots. Sinet. Did not. Buhay. Overpass. Chance for Patriots again. Pinalo. Check ball. Overpass. Chance ulit. Did not. Buhay. Score for the Philippines. Up to 25. Up to 25 po tayo ngayon. Service, Filipinas. Good to see. Score for Patriots. Patriots. May ganong score. 11-7. Good receive. Sinet. Bang! Good dig. Buhay ang bola. Binalik. Inside. Smart play by Patriots. Service again. Okay na service na yun. Service. Good receive. Jats. Pinalo. Good dig. That's for Patriots to score. Binalik. Short ball. Adjust. Nice kick. Score. 12-8. Mahaba-haba pa. Kalma tayo guys. Service. Good serve. Good receive. Sinet sa test. Pinalo. Nice kick. Very good view. Service by number 29. Dalawa silang 29. Sinet. Huh? Service. Outside. This one. 13-12, still in favor of Filipinas. Service. Good serve. Jack for Patriots to attack. Taso. Binalik lang. Jack ball. Sinet. Drop ball. Buhay ang bola. Pinalo. Check ball. Good kill. 13-all. Nakahabol ang Patriots. Service. Patriots. Service, but it wasn't over. Service for the Filipinas. Good serve with a good receive. Chance ball for the Filipinas. Good set. Drop ball. Chance for Patriots. Pinalo. Check ball. Good game. 14 all. Service by Patriots. Good serve. Wide. Bakayo. Nicely. Binuhay. Pinalo. Pinalit. Sinit. Pinalit ulit. Pinuha. Pinalo. Inside. Change favor for Patriots. 14-15. Service. Good serve with a good receive. Sinet. Back. Inside. Mainit-init na laban ito. Very close game. Service. Good serve. Buhay. Binalik. Chance for the Bears. Binalik ulit. Chance for Patriots naman. Binakbol. Buhay. Buhay ang bola. Binakbol ulit. Binalik. Buhay. Good save. Sige. Pinalo. Soft spike. Very intense, huh? I like it. Service. Good serve. Service is by Kunyang Nakablak. Kuya, winispak niya yung service na. Ay, gandang bilati ko ata. Good try. Sorry po, Kuya. Service by number 12. Good serve. Buhay ang bola. Sinet. Pinalo. Nice kill. Very fast. Service. Good serve. Good receive. Sinet. Pinalo. Spin. Chance ball. Chance for Patriots to score. Give. Pinalo. Nice block by number 99. Or yung po yung nakaputi. Ewan, dalawa sila. Yung nakaputi daw. Score 19-16 in favor of the Venus. Service. Outside. Service for Patriots by number 29. Good serve with a good receive. Sinet. Ayun lang. 19-18, still in favor of the Venus with a 1-point lead. Service again by Patriots, number 29. Good serve. Overpass. Binalik. Buhay. Sinet. Pinalo. Buhay. Nice save. Sinet kay Kuya. Binalik. Chance ball for the Venus. Sinet sa 4. Pinalo. Binuhay. Check ball. Chance ball again for the Venus. Sinet. Back. Nice kick. Nice anticipation. Buhay ang bola. Nice kick by Kuya. Chance ball for Patriots this time. Sinet. Pinalo. Pinalo! Nice! Score for Patriots. 19 all. Very intense. Service. Good service. Good. Okay. Sinek. Pinalo. Check ball. Sinek. Binalik. Chance ulit for Patriots. Dark ball. Buhay. Chance ball for Patriots. Joke lang. Score na pala nila. Outside. Score 19-20. Change favor. This time by Patriots. Number 29 with his third or fourth. Ewan. Good serve. And good receive. Nice set. Nice kill. 20 all. In favor of... Wala. 20 all na eh. Bola po. Bola. King Q. Miribans. Service. Good serve. Good receive. Pinalo. Block. Outside. Score by Patriots. Change favor. Matigning labanan ito Service again by Patriots. Nicer. With a nice receive. With a nice set. Nice dig. Jump ball. Paso. Tahuwa. Jump ball ulit. Chance for Patriots. Nice dig. Kinuha. Chance ball for Patriots. Sinek. Bam. Nice adjust. Chance for the Filipinos. Pinalo. Nice attack. 21 all. Go guys. Sana. 21 all. Service Filipinos. Nicer. Service ace. By Kuya, number 99. Service again. Nicely. Sinek. Pinalo. Gabla. Buhay. Hindi na. Patay na. Score 23-21. Warning. Service again by number 99. Nice serve. Nice receive. Nice adjust. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. 23-22. Warning. Still in favor for Filipinos. Service by Patriots. Outside. Match point for the Filipinos. 24-22. Kulang kaputi. Nag-service. Nice serve. Buhay. Sinek. Pinalo. Buhay ang bola. Chance for the Filipinos. Straight to scoop. Pinalo. Nice block. Point for Patriots. Last warning. Still in favor for the Filipinos. Service. Nice serve. Buhay. Service. is, Coach, may juice ba to? Juice. Service. Nice serve. Overpass. Buhay ang bola. Binalik. Chance ball. Chance for the Venus to attack. Binalik ulit. Sinek. Binalik. Sinek. Nice adjust. Balik. Chance ball. Sinek sa loss. Pinalo. Check ball. Buhay. Clean over. Chance again for the Venus to attack. Binakbon. Kaso may tao. Binakbon naman ng Patriots. Sinek. Pinalo. Block outside. Score for the Venus. Match point. Service. Service. Nice serve. Short ball. Sinek. Bang. Nice adjust. Sinek din. Drop ball. Taso ng tao. Chance for Patriots to attack. Nice attack. Overpass. Pinalit din. Drop ball. Chance ball ulit. Joke lang. Outside. Juice ulit. 25 all. May juice daw. So last na yan. Last point. Either teams. Okay, last good. Sorry, tanga lang. Service, Patriots. Nice serve. That ball. Nice drop. Match point for the Venus, 26-25. Service. The Venus ball. Service. Why? Ang bola. Miscommunication. The Venus takes the win. Congratulations for our champions.
Thank you, Leah. Okay, congratulations to the Venus. Thank you, Patriots. Of course, our red campers. Okay, guys, don't forget to cool down, okay? Cool down po. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo. Ingat. Guys, don't forget to cool down. Okay, congratulations. Okay, speak review na kayo ng HML. Paghahanda rin ng Venus, ha? Alright. Ingat po kayo, God bless everyone.